Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to create a letter A in Procreate using watercolours based paints, and I'll show you what I mean. Basically, I created this letter A in Procreate yesterday, and it's part of my challenge to keep up my typography skills and play around and experiment, and it's part of the challenge. I saw this Instagram account, it's called 36 Days of Type, and if you go and check them out and follow them, that would be cool and get inspired. And so what I'm going to do is create this letter A and show you how to do it. Let's get into the video. So first of all, create a screen size document, and what you want to do is keep it white on the canvas and go to brushes palette, and underneath painting you want to choose any type of brush, it doesn't matter, but I'm going to stick to stucco and click on that, and then you can choose any colour. I'm going to stick to quite light colours, and I want a light pink, and going to draw it onto the canvas like that. And then I want a yellow colour, and then draw it on top again. And then I want a light green, and then draw it on top again. And then want a light blue, and you can go crazy with this. You can add as many colours on top as possible. So the next bit is you want to go to the tool palette and then add text, and then put in letter A as the capital letter, and then edit style, and then you want to resize it, make it as big as possible, and you want to make it black. And then you want to go layers palette, and you want to put the background above the layer because we're going to create a clipping mask, and then the background will go inside the text. So you click on the layer 1 and you go to create clipping mask, and there you go, there's your textured A. And then you click on the move tool and you can move it so you can get more textures, and you can resize it to how you like. I like to add a few more colours. Add a bit of green. So there you go. And then I want to add a paper effect, so some drop shadow, so it looks like it has a paper effect. So first of all, you want to go on letter A and swipe left and duplicate, and then you want to create a mask, so it will input this in, and then you want to go to the wand tool and then Gaussian blur, and then make sure you click on the layer so it actually does it. And then as you can see, it's adding a shadow effect. So whatever you like, feel free to play around, but I'm going to stick to 10%, and it adds that effect. So well done for creating this letter A with me, and stay tuned for the next video, which will be a letter B, and see you next time.